Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Here I will guide you through the steps to take to create a segment in GA4, making it available for you to report AI engine traffic performance. My name is Sjoerd and I am the SEO specialist at team.blue, the Netherlands. When you look at your primary channels, you will see there is no inbound channel for AI engines. This needs to be made manually. We start by creating a segment in the exploration area. Click on Explore and create a new empty exploration. Here we start by creating a segment for the AI engines. Click on Segment and create a new one. We will create a session segment and name it AI engines. For the conditions, go to Traffic Source and select Session Source. Filter the sources with matches regular expression and paste in the list of known AI agents. You will find them in the description below this video. Save the segment and go back to the variable overview. At dimensions, choose traffic source and select source medium. At metrics, choose session and select sessions. Choose a linear graph. Set the granularity at weekly. Select source medium as the default breakdown. Select sessions as the default value and select 90 days for the training period. Now save this exploration under the name AI Engines or any other name. Now we have created the segment, we can continue by making the channel group for AI Engines. Go to Admin and select Channel Groups. You will see the default channel group already there. Now we create a separate one for AI engines. Select Create Channel Group and please remember that you must have admin access to create a new channel group. Give the group a name, let's say again AI engines. Then select Add New Channel. Give the channel name also the name AI engines. For the channel conditions, select Source and filter the sources with matches regular expression. Here you paste again the list of known AI agents and save the channel. You will find the new AI Engines channel on the bottom of all channels. Click on Reorder and drag this channel to the position right above Referral. This makes the default position of the AI Engines channel higher up in the hierarchy at Reports. Save the group and go back to Reports. Here you see the primary channel overview. Select from the drop-down the new AI Engines channel. Now you can see AI traffic performance results in your channel overview. To see in more detail which AI engines are performing, click on the right and select Source Medium. In the search bar, you then type AI engines to filter, and then traffic sources will be filtered down to the AI engine sources.